That's how you start a fucking video, baby. Let's go. Probably the meanest car I've ever built. Chassis swapped, airbagged, twin turbo, nitrous. What's up, it's Casey from Caseyscustoms. I am back on the 1965 Mustang, and in this video, we are finishing the build, and then we're gonna take her for a drive and just beat the hell out of it. Let's have some fun. We are finally back on the 1965 Mustang. I did this as a chassis swap. I have been waiting on parts for almost 6 weeks. I had the windshield, but I didn't have the back glass. I also had to order some trim that I was waiting on, but we have it all, and it is finally time to finish up this build. Also, look at this. She is so filthy right now. I mean, that's a crime in and of itself. Oh, I also got a new dash top. I broke this whenever I did the chassis swap, and it's been bugging me for a while. I have that piece as well. It's been painted for, I don't know, almost 2 months now, month and a half. I've had it out. I've taken a million pictures of it. I've looked at it, and sure enough, I found something I absolutely hate, and that is my running board. I hate the fact that I color matched the rocker. It just doesn't look very good. I think it could be a little bit more contrast if it was in black. And if you look at it, it's actually undercoated. It's basically rhino lined because I knew that it was just going to get a ton of rock chips on it and stuff, but I don't like how low it makes everything look. I'm okay with it looking low. It gives it like a funky edge that I don't think we need to have. So I'm going to tape that off and paint it all black. Also, I have a piece of stainless steel trim that'll go across the bottom. I don't know when I'm supposed to get it. I ordered it months ago, but I think that would kind of add, I don't know, I might not end up adding it. I might, who knows. But for now, we're gonna black this out. Then I think I'm gonna clean it because it's so filthy. Then we'll start installing some of our new parts. But right now, we gotta take this off. Check it out. Got the rockers painted. I also got my new dash put up there, and I see where I need to cut it. I need to cut it back there, and then I should be able to get this slipped on. I think you glue these on, but I'll probably just screw it for now in case I need to adjust it. But let's cut it real quick and hope I don't break it. Okay, I got the rocker panel painted, and then naturally it started raining. So I rushed the car back over to the garage. No big deal. It finally stopped. That was like 2 days ago. Brought it back in, got a look at it. I really, really like that black. It looks 10 times better than it did before. The car is still filthy. We're gonna have to deal with that in a little bit, but that's fine. We got work to do. I need to change out the front valence. I actually have a brand new one up there that we already painted. This one was cracked, and I just wasn't really worried about it. I need to get that switched out. I also have my turn signals and my reverse lights that I can put in. And, oh, I don't think I showed this. Ooh, that looks so much better than cracked like it was. I wish it went down a little farther, but I don't think you'll see that when the windshield's in there, but we might need to order another one. No big deal. Also, I'm going to pop the hood off, and I want to double check everything under the hood before we take our drive, because I just want to make sure, you know, all my vacuum lines, all my bullshit like that is buttoned up. But for now, let's change out our bumper. Once I get the bumper done and the lights in, I'm going to start putting the rubber around the windshields because I got a brand new windshield and a brand new back glass, and they came with new gaskets. So, super exciting. God, she's filthy. Let's get to work. Also, oh, the air conditioner's taking a piss. It's getting hot, so now the air conditioner's pissing all over the place again. It's just the fun things that happen in the shop. Also, I'm going to get my nitrous tanks mounted. I haven't had those in there since we painted it, and we actually painted them. Ooh, I haven't even untaped them yet. Yeah, we got them painted too. Look at the dust. Oh, all right, we're going to clean everything, and then we're going to take her for a drive. Okay, check it out. I got the valence put in there. It fits so much better than this one. This one, air conditioner's pissing again. Buddy, you gotta stop pissing while we're recording. Holy hell. This one, I had to modify it a bunch. I had to modify that one too, but I had to modify this one, and I wasn't quite sure. Jesus Christ, dude. I wasn't quite sure how I was gonna mount it at the time, so I just over-drilled all my holes. It looked like shit. This one, since I knew exactly where to drill, came out perfect. What I'm doing right now is putting my emblems in. I also have a centerpiece for that. Little shit like that. Then we're going to start getting the rubber on the windshield so we can get those thrown in. Oh, also, I checked under the hood. Everything looks fine. It's all buttoned up fine. Last thing I want to do is get my NOS tanks mounted. And then hopefully we can clean the old girl because she is filthy. I got to get the rubber windshield gaskets on the windshields, and then we can install them. Oh, I just realized as I'm saying that, I also have window trim, front and back. I'll have to get that installed too. Damn, we gotta get to work. There's nothing that quite puckers the old butthole as much as drilling into new paint. Oh, God. And then, it's even more fun. Let's not do that. It's even more fun. These emblems have a little tiny retainer. You have to hammer that into the hood. I don't like this. I don't like this. I don't like this. I don't like this. Oh, I dropped it. Where the hell is it? Oh, wait. Got it. Oh, dude. Oh, I chipped the paint. Of course I chipped the paint. Oh, there we go, there we go, there we go. This thing isn't lined up at all. Why is that so far off? This isn't lined up even close to being lined up. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Okay. Ooh, that looks nice. The F still seems crooked. Okay, whew. On to the windshield. Okay, we got Ford logo done. I got that little piece in there. Had to put a screw in it. We're not going to talk about that right now. I got the windshield rubber installed, and I got the windshields sitting on the car. It takes 2 people to get them fully installed. Dad's going to have to get in there while I smack it, or vice versa. So I'm just waiting on him. What I'm going to do now is get the NOS tanks put in there. I still have to screw the mounts in and stuff. And then what I'm going to do, if he's not here in time, I'm going to check under the car because I think my 4-link might need a bolt in it. For some reason, I feel like there's something I needed to fix under there, and I can't remember what it was. So it's probably good to do that before we take her for a long drive and get a little silly with it. Ooh, also, I have the lock. I need to put that in too. So let's do that shit. A lot better than it was before. I think we're good. You're in. Ooh, she looks good. Okay. Windshield is in. Back glass is in. One of the baby bottles is in. Still got to do the other side. Then we're going to start installing some trim. Then we get to wash her and take her for her final drive. Also, fun fact, I am scratching the living shit out of this thing. Oof. I got a whoopsie daisy right there. The door opened too much. Just there's a couple of those everywhere. That's fine though. I drive my shit, so I'm not too upset about it. But I'm also not very happy about it, but shit happens. Also, just realized I gotta put my hood pins on. Son of a bitch, the list gets longer. All right, let's put the baby bottles in and then the trim. All right, the baby's got her bottles mounted. Let's get this trim in here. It is so freaking hot. I'm over it. Today's the first day it's been hot and I'm already over it. Check her out. She's all clean, looking pretty. Got the trim on. Went to do the back trim and they didn't send me the clips. So I can't put the back trim on. That's fine though. Look at this monstrosity. It's a car selfie stick. We're gonna give it a shot. Let's go have a little bit of fun. Wrap this build up. I love the baby bottles in the back. They look so good. That never gets old. Look at all the scratches and shit we already put in it. Oh, fuck. I drive my shit. I like it. That's a cool looking car, man. That's probably the meanest car I've ever built. Chassis swapped, airbagged, twin turbo, nitrous. I mean, you can't do much else. Widened body, lengthened body. I mean, there isn't a panel in this car other than the very, very top of the roof that it wasn't cut up. Man, she's cool. We're gonna have some fun with this one. We're gonna beat on this thing all summer. We might repaint it. Who knows? We're gonna have some fun. Also, fun fact, my selfie stick, when I punched it, it bounced so much that it turned. So it wasn't even straight anymore. So I don't know how much of that footage is even usable, but it's fun. Let's go put her up before we get in any more trouble. Huh?
I like the fender work.
Yeah, Mustang.
Oh yeah?
That was way wider than the 65, so yeah, I've widened them before and it ain't easy.
I like the fender. Nice job.
Thank you. Take care. Oh, that was a cop at first. Some of my driving footage from yesterday didn't come out as good as I wanted, and I had so much fun beating on the Mustang yesterday. We're gonna do a little bit more of it. So yeah, let's do that. So, the other day, we took her for a spin and I went through my footage and some of it sucked. So we're gonna make some new footage. Oh, forgot about the seatbelt alarm. That sucks. I had a difference, but it fell. Check these out. This video is literally over, but check this out. Dad reminded me that I had these door panels that Holly sent. They are perfect. It was one of the first things they sent. Look at the shape of this box. I think he'd been here for like a year. Yeah, we'll button up the interior. God damn, this was a lot of fun. I hope you guys enjoyed it. That was so much fun. My grandpa passed away today, and I only bring that up because getting out in your car and just beating on it a little bit is just the best medicine ever, especially for us car guys. I feel 10 times better than I did 30 minutes ago. Just beating the living shit out of this thing. Probably broke something, who knows? Had a ton of fun, it just made me feel better. So I just wanted to say that, man. Sometimes you just gotta take a drive. This build is finished. Is it really finished? No. There's lots of little stuff that needs done, but I don't see me making any more videos on it unless it's something big, and there's really nothing big. I mean, like the trim, I need the different clips. We're gonna do some interior work, but it's not like a complete interior overhaul. If it morphs into that, I'll end up doing videos, but most likely this is how she's gonna be, and I'm just gonna kind of tweak stuff here and there as I drive it, as I beat on it, and just kind of fix stuff as we go. She is finally done. I am so excited. I don't know the exact date when I started this build, but it was probably at least a year ago, and I could not have done it without Holley Performance. They have sent me a million parts. Basically every body part on the car was from Holley. And they also sent us stuff with the engine and just all kinds of stuff. I absolutely love it. I'm so happy that we are continuing our relationship, and you know, we're doing more hot rod stuff to the truck, to the 57, to the Monte Carlo, and I can't thank them enough because that's a cool ass looking car. By the way, I took it out for a 20-minute drive. I had 2 people stop at the parking lot. There's a guy at the golf course. I don't know if I'm gonna catch it on camera, but he was going, like while he's putting, he's over here putting, he's going, yeah! So I thought that was cool as shit, but she's running good. We're gonna continue to beat on it. This definitely won't be the last video you see on it. I just don't see me doing any more dedicated videos unless we do something crazy and drop 10 grand on the interior. Which we might, who knows? Like I said earlier in the video, it is literally 7 p.m. and Richard is gonna edit this thing all night and then post it Tuesday morning. So thank you. Hopefully that earns your like, because we are busting our asses around here. Thank you very much for watching. If you are not subscribed, please hit that button now. If you are subscribed, make sure you turn your post notifications on. You'll be notified every single time I post a new video. Also, for the best merch on the planet, go to Caseyscustoms.com. Thank you very much for watching. Please like, share, comment, all that good stuff they tell you to do at the end of videos. Check out some more of my other videos. Peace. I love you.